I'm glad to welcome you to Chanel Beautiful Home Design Ideas, the place where elegance meets inspiration. Imagine standing on a mountain slope, the crisp air brushing your face, and in front of you, a stunning modern chalet blending warmth, sophistication, and breathtaking views. Chalet-style homes have evolved from traditional alpine cabins into luxurious retreats that embrace both comfort and cutting-edge design. Today's modern chalets are not just houses, they are lifestyle statements, offering panoramic glass walls, natural materials, and cozy interiors infused with timeless charm. In this video, we'll explore the most inspiring modern chalet-style house designs that transform rugged mountain landscapes into spaces of true luxury. One of the defining features of a luxury chalet-style house is its dramatic use of glass. Floor-to-ceiling windows dissolve the barrier between indoors and outdoors, turning the surrounding mountains into a natural artwork framed by architecture. In winter, you can watch snow fall softly across the pines from the warmth of your living room. In summer, the greenery and endless sky pour light into your home, creating a vibrant, uplifting atmosphere. These large glass expanses are often paired with sliding doors that lead to balconies or terraces, further connecting the interior with nature. Beyond beauty, this design element also emphasizes wellness. The natural light boosts mood and energy, while the constant view of the horizon provides calm. In luxury chalets, every room becomes an observation deck, making the house itself a canvas painted by the seasons. The soul of any chalet lies in its materials, and modern luxury designs push this to an art form. Reclaimed wood beams, polished stone, and matte metal details come together in harmonious layers that speak of both tradition and innovation. The warmth of wood, often left with a natural finish, creates a cozy contrast to the sharpness of steel or glass. Stone fireplaces, granite kitchen islands, and slate bathroom floors root the home in its alpine surroundings, reminding you of the mountains beyond the walls. Designers increasingly use eco-friendly and locally sourced materials, ensuring that each house blends seamlessly with its environment while supporting sustainability. Even metals, brushed brass handles, or black steel frames are carefully chosen for subtle elegance. The combination results in a tactile richness, rough, smooth, warm, and cool textures side by side, giving the home its unmistakable luxury meets nature charm. Luxury chalets are designed for connection, both with family and with nature. Open-plan living rooms have become the signature, with soaring ceilings, exposed beams, and layouts that let one space flow into another. The kitchen, dining, and lounge often share one expansive area, creating a stage for togetherness. Yet, within this openness, designers are masters at carving out intimate corners. A plush armchair by the window becomes a private reading nook. A long farmhouse-style dining table under pendant lights creates a focal point for family dinners. Even rugs, low sofas, and strategically placed lighting divide the space into zones without walls. This balance of vastness and intimacy ensures the home never feels cold or empty. Instead, it's like living in one continuous embrace of comfort, where you can host a lively evening with friends or curl up for a quiet night by the fire, all under the same vaulted roof. If chalets had a soul, it would burn at the heart of the fireplace. More than a source of warmth, today's fireplaces are sculptural centerpieces. Some hang suspended in the center of the room like floating art, while others are embedded into floor-to-ceiling stone walls that exude timeless grandeur. Linear gas fireplaces add modern sleekness, while traditional wood-burning hearths bring the crackle and scent of alpine authenticity. Designers often surround these fireplaces with built-in benches or cozy seating, transforming them into natural gathering spots. Picture returning from skiing, dropping your boots by the door, and sinking into a soft chair by the flickering flames. Fireplaces create ambience and ritual, whether it's sharing stories with family or enjoying a moment of solitude. In luxury chalets, the fireplace isn't just decor, it's the heart that breathes warmth and belonging into the entire house. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's the best way to stay updated on all things luxury design and modern living. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which chalet feature you would love to have in your own dream mountain home. Luxury chalet living goes hand in hand with relaxation, and nothing captures this more than spa-inspired bathrooms. Picture stepping into a bathroom lined with stone tiles, warmed by underfloor heating, and filled with soft natural light streaming through frosted windows. Freestanding tubs are often placed near glass walls to soak in views while soaking in water. Rainfall showers with black steel frames or even outdoor showers hidden among the pines bring a refreshing alpine touch. But the luxury doesn't end with bathrooms. Many chalets now feature wellness zones, private saunas that echo traditional mountain culture, yoga studios with mountain views, or hot tubs on outdoor decks where steam rises against a snowy backdrop. These spaces transform the home into a retreat that restores both body and mind. Wellness isn't an accessory, it's embedded into the very architecture, ensuring that every day feels like a vacation at a five-star resort. Mountain life demands an embrace of the outdoors, and luxury chalets do this with dramatic flair. Expansive decks and multi-level terraces extend the living space under open skies, while glass railings preserve the views. Imagine an outdoor dining table set against a mountain sunset, or a lounge area with blankets draped over chairs, waiting for guests to gather. Fire pits or outdoor fireplaces add warmth and ambience, making it possible to enjoy these spaces year-round, even when snow covers the ground. Designers often integrate outdoor kitchens, infinity-edge hot tubs, or hammocks that sway above breathtaking valleys. The outdoor area becomes a continuation of the home's interior, not just a backyard, but an alpine stage where seasons perform in all their splendor. Whether under falling snow or a canopy of stars, these spaces redefine what it means to live luxuriously in the mountains. The modern chalet is not only about rustic charm, it's also about invisible technology that enhances comfort. Smart thermostats regulate temperature to perfection, ensuring cozy interiors without wasting energy. Heated driveways melt snow automatically, sparing homeowners the labor of shoveling after a storm. Voice-activated lighting, hidden surround sound systems, and motorized blinds bring convenience at the touch of a button, or no button at all. Some chalets even feature advanced insulation and energy-efficient glass that maintain warmth in winter and coolness in summer. Yet the best designs make sure this technology stays discreet, preserving the natural, rustic aesthetic. You won't see clunky gadgets interrupting the wooden beams or stone walls. Instead, every innovation is seamlessly integrated. This balance of high-tech living with traditional materials creates a chalet that feels both timeless and futuristic, offering homeowners the best of both worlds. Luxury chalet-style homes prove that elegance and coziness can exist side by side. From panoramic glass walls and natural materials to spa-inspired retreats and high-tech comfort, these mountain houses elevate the idea of living close to nature. They are more than just architectural masterpieces. They are sanctuaries where you can escape, recharge, and reconnect with what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and if this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe for more modern design ideas. Until next time, may your dream home always bring you warmth, style, and the view you've always wanted.